How to change Priceline hotel reservation. To change a hotel reservation made through Priceline, follow these steps. Log into your Priceline account and review the terms of your booking. Look for policies regarding changes or cancellations. Many reservations are non-refundable or have strict change policies. Visit Priceline's Help Center and use their chat feature. Call Priceline's customer service at 1-877-477-5807. Have your reservation number ready. Explain your need to change the reservation and ask about available options. Some hotels may allow changes directly if you explain the situation, especially if Priceline permits it. You can also modify through Priceline if allowed. Log into your account on Priceline, navigate to My Trips and select your reservation. Look for a change or cancel option. If changes are not allowed, consider rebooking a new reservation and canceling the original, if refundable. Thanks for watching.